Hello interns, welcome to the Design Hub. In this video, you will learn how to complete and submit the documents needed to become a classified temporary intern for the Design Hub. Once you have been accepted as a paid intern, you will receive an encrypted email from the Design Hub assistant. This email includes the hiring document you will need to download and complete. Throughout the hiring document, you will be asked to include information such as your name, address, ethnicity, and social security number. For the parts of the hiring document that ask for your signature, you can include your digital signature, or you can simply type out your name. If you would like to be treated by your personal medical doctor in the event that you sustain an injury or illness related to your employment, complete the page entitled Optional Predesignation of Personal Physician. On the form entitled Designation of Beneficiary Form, read the rules for designation of beneficiary and complete the sections that apply to you. There are also various parts of the hiring document that are not for you to fill out. Do not fill out any part of the document that asks for the employer's date or the date you will be hired. Also, do not fill out anything in Section 2 of the page entitled Employment Eligibility Verification of your hiring document. If a preparer or translator did not help you with your document, do not fill out the page entitled Supplement A, Preparer or Translator Certification. Also, do not fill out anything on the page entitled Supplement B, Re-verification and Rehire. Since you are completing documents to be a classified temporary intern, you will need to complete a live scan. To complete a live scan, fill out all values that are marked by an X on the page entitled Request for Live Scan Service, and complete the fingerprint scanning authorization form sent to you by the Design Hub assistant. Once these two documents are complete, go to a California agency offering live scan services with these two documents and get your fingerprints done. Be prepared to pay a processing fee to complete your fingerprints. Once you have completed all of your hiring documents, you will also need to provide photocopies of documents that establish your identity and employment authorization. On the page entitled Lists of Acceptable Documents, you will see a list of documents you can provide. You will need to provide a photocopy of a document from both List B and C, such as your driver's license and social security card. Also, make sure that your social security card is signed. Upon completion, you will need to save your hiring documents and photocopied documents that establish your identity and employment authorization into a zipped folder. If you are unsure how to create a zipped folder, you will find a link to a tutorial on how to create a zipped folder within the original email sent to you by the Design Hub assistant. Once you have created a zipped folder for your documents, you will send this folder to the Design Hub assistant in the original email thread by replying to the email and attaching your zipped folder. The original email thread is encrypted for your security, so do not create a new message, but rather reply to the original email thread and attach your zipped folder. Now you know how to complete and submit the documents needed to become a classified temporary intern for the Design Hub. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the Design Hub.